Hello, guys. We're gonna talk about Emblen birds from Russia. This Emblen bird, it doesn't have anything, just 2 crowns. This Emblen bird it has a shield. This Emblen bird is new, but the shield is smooth. This Emblen bird has new crowns. 1 new crown is new. This Emblen bird has one missing crown. This Emblen bird has new 3 crowns. This Emblen bird, it's new. This Emblen bird it's color blue. This Emblen bird is colored black. This Emblen bird is colored black, but it has pictures. This Emblen bird is missing pictures. This Emblen bird has three pictures on its wings. 4. 8. This Emblen bird it looks beautiful. This Emblen bird it's black. This Emblen bird has the cross on its head. This Emblen bird has a red background. Thanks for watching.